Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to fix drive letter is missing from the drive name in the file explorer of Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the file explorer. And now you can see here the drive letters are missing from each of this drive name, right? So you don't see any drive name here. So in order to fix this issue, what you need to do is, if you're using a Windows 11, then in the file explorer you will see here three dot icons. Just click on it and just click on these options, and you can see here view, and just scroll down below, and now you will see here show drive letters. Just click on it and you can click on apply, click on OK. Voila, now you can see the drive letter is restored back, which was missing earlier. So if you're using a Windows 7 or older Windows operating system, then you may not see the similar options here. Then what you can do is just click on the Windows Start menu icon, and in the search, just search for File Explorer options, and you can see here, just click on it. Now you will see the same option which I have shown you earlier. You can just click on view, just scroll down below. Now check whether this show drive letters option is enabled or not. So by using this method, you can easily fix drive letter is missing from the drive name in the file explorer of Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.